Hello gardeners and farmers, today we are here with wonderful information on high yielding flowers for maximum profit. Hi friends. Welcome to the Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. Flower farming is also called floriculture. Cut flower farming is one of the easy backyard cash crops which provides a profitable income. Here are the top 9 high yielding flowering plants. 1. Roses. Roses are the most beautiful flowers in the world. And the agroclimatic condition of India is also suitable for rose farming. Additionally, there are several varieties you can grow for profits. However, you can go for the greenhouse option for quality rose production as the cut flower. Rose grows well in the plains under the ideal conditions of fertile loamy soils with salt-free irrigation water. About 10 lakh flowers per hectare per year can be obtained in rose cultivation. 2. Chrysanthemum. The chrysanthemum flowers bloom in various forms. Additionally, chrysanthemum blooms come in a huge variety of shapes and sizes and a wide range of colors. The flower comes in different colors like yellow, white, purple, and red. In addition, chrysanthemum plants flower in about 3 months after sowing. So, you can expect a quick return from this cut flower. Also, the flower has a long flowering period. It gives an average yield of 15 to 50 quintals of flowers per year. 3. Carnation. Carnation is one of the most popular decorative flowers in countries like India. If you want to export the flowers, you must grow under greenhouse conditions. In addition, you can also grow carnation in a raised bed of soil. Carnation's crops grow in every climate. Carnation cultivation could be a success in any kind of soil, but the soil should be well drained. An average yield of 300 to 400 flowers per square can be obtained. 4. Lily. Lilies come in different shapes, sizes, and colors. Lilies are also popular flowers for gifting purposes. Generally, you can propagate lily from bulbs. However, you can also grow lily from seeds, scales, bulbils, and bulblets. Lily prefers direct sunlight all morning during the summer, with partial shade during hot afternoon hours. The pH of the soil preferred to be in between 6 to 7. Initial years, the lily yield is low and gradually it increases year by year. The yield could be in the range of 100 to 300 kilograms per acre. 5. Gerbera. Gerbera are available in a massive array of colors. Gerbera flowers can give high returns if planted and maintained well. You can grow gerbera in an inexpensive way. Gerbera farming needs well-drained soil. Just grow gerbera from seeds. However, you must procure the seeds from reputed seed suppliers. Even, you can grow seedlings in small pots. The gerbera crop yields 2 stems per plant per month. Harvest starts from 3rd month of planting and continued up to 2 years. 6. Gypsophila. Another popular name of Gypsophila is baby's breath. In addition, it is a popular flower to accent bouquets, corsages, and flower vases, especially dried flowers. Gypsophila lasts long up to a week and dries well. Generally, you can grow Gypsophila from seeds. The plant demands regular watering. So you must have the proper irrigation arrangements. 7. Gladiolus. Gladiolus is a popular bulbous ornamental plant. Gladiolus bulbs, in botanical terminology, are referred to as corms. The plants are attractive, perennial herbs, and semi-hardy in temperate climates. Gladiolus spikes can be kept in the vases for 8 to 10 days depending on the variety and the ambient conditions prevailing in the room. You can grow gladiolus by dividing rhizomes, tubers, corms, or bulbs. However, you can procure gladiolus corms from the local plant nursery. Regular weed control is necessary for gladiolus cultivation. Gladiolus yield per acre would be around 80,000 spikes. 8. Anthurium. Anthurium plant is a tropical ornamental plant and it is cultivated for its colorful, long-lasting flowers or attractive foliage. The most common colors of anthuriums are red and shades of red. Its leaves are usually simple, large, attractively colored, and borne on long stalks. This flower is very popular in the cut flower trade globally. You can grow anthurium in 4 ways. These are by vegetative reproduction, seeds, tissue culture, and fertilization. An average of 8 flowers per plant per year can be obtained in anthurium cultivation. 9. Sunflowers. The sunflower is a commercially popular cut flower in India. Apart from several other advantages, the flower has good market potential in the domestic flower markets. The crop requires a cool climate during germination and seedling growth. Seedlings tolerate frosts moderately well until they reach the 4 to the 6 leaf stage of development. In addition, it requires warm weather from the seedling stage up to the flowering stage. Also, the plant demands warm and sunny days during flowering to maturity. Approximately a farmer can get 8 to 9 quintals per acre in a sunflower field. Hope you like this video. Share this video with all your friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.